Get him to follow you.
Come on. Come.
Come, let's go.
Look.
Come on,
Come on.
let's go downstairs. Eddie, come.
See Graham. Come on.
Come on, fella.
Come on, boy.
Eddie, come.
Come. Come on, fella. Let's go.
Eddie, come.
Are you coming?
Come on.
Come on,
baby.
Come on.
Good boy.
Come, fella.
Come on, little one.
Eddie, come. It's okay. Come on, let's go.
Come on. You can
Come
do it.
on, let's go.
Come on, fella.
Come on, he's a good boy.
Ooh.
He's a good
Good
boy.
boy. Come on.
He's a good boy.
Come on, fella.
Come on.
You can do it.
I think he figures he's going to fall over.
Come on.
You can walk in your shoes. Come
Come
on.
on, little one.
Maybe
Come
put
on.
his leg.
Come
things
on. There you go. Come on a little bit
Let's
more.
go. Come on. Let's go see Grandma.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on.
Ooh, pumpkin treat for you. Pumpkin treat. Come on. There you go. Wait.
Bring him over here. Make him come over here. Oh!
Come on.
He can't use his back leg. I don't know. How come he can't use his back leg?
on video. That's funny.
Stand up. You can stand up.
There you go. Let's go.
Look at him. Oh, he said this is mean.
Treat. Come on.
You'll be happy when it's cold out, Eddie. You'll get used to it.
Come on, fella. You were going like crazy in the store. There you go.
There, that's better. Walk on the rug.
Come on over here. Come on now.
Oh man, that was so funny.
It's like its rear end all of a sudden doesn't work.
Okay, put it down and see what it does.
Come on. Come on.
There we go. That's a good boy.
There you go, fella. Come on, get some. Here. Here, look. Look.